Return to Touch and Touch.
Hello friends, welcome to Touch and Fetch. Today I am going to show you unboxing video of OnePlus 7T. Let's move on to the video. Build quality of OnePlus claims the 17 notch is 31.46% smaller than OnePlus 7, which I found plausible. The display size has been increased. Performance of OnePlus 7T as the SD855 Cairo 485 CPU Gold Core is clocked at a higher 2.96 GHz and the Snapdragon is 855 chipset. Let's start with what's new in the camera UI. The portrait mode is now available for both regular and 2x zoom option. Similarly, the OnePlus 7T camera app also lets you use the ultra-wide angle lens in nightscape mode. There are also a new macro mode that lets you capture extreme close-up from distance between 2.5 inch to 8 inches. When it comes to battery, it took just 1 hour and 16 minutes to go from 0 to 100%. It took the OnePlus 7T less than 20 minutes to go from 0 to 40 and the phone attained a 90% of charge in just 48 minutes. This box contains mobile, USB cable, adapter, user guide and OnePlus label. OnePlus 7T has no trouble running heavy Android games like PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile on the OnePlus 7T. We were able to experience flawless gameplay even on HDR graphics while frame rates were set to extreme. For good performance, a lot depends on the software OnePlus Oxygen OS that pays special attention to snappy and smooth transitions. The OnePlus 7T is a very pretty phone with one of the main reasons for this being its frosted glass back. You can get this glass in two colors, glacier blue or frosted silver, and while both looks great.
You the joy. Dan Abel Daniel. Thank you.